Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. Today's project is the three-part series on No Spooky Kitties. And I am always, of course, like you probably, on the lookout for things to paint. And I was at my local Target, and you know in that section, if you have Targets near you, that section that has little doodads and dollar stuff and things like that, and I found these little kitties. They're just little wooden cutout kitties. And they all come with this little stand, and I just thought they were just adorable. Now, they were meant for Halloween, but of course I don't like spooky kitties, so I don't want to do a Halloween one. So I did a series of these, and I've got 3 videos for you. Now, these are really not step-by-step videos. These are more process videos, so they're going to go kind of fast. But you'll get an idea of how you can paint on something like this. So we're going to do 3 of these. Here's the first one. And this one has just got a series of swirls. Very simple, but gosh, if you want to practice your dotting, these would be perfect. This would be a perfect project for that. So this is a black one. And video 2 is on this fuchsia background. This is actually probably my favorite one. It's got a really pretty mandala on it, and you can see that I've done some work here to highlight the eyes and the nose and the little bow tie. And so this is fuchsia. That's video number 2. And then video number 3 is the white cat, and he's got a really fun swirl and a cute tail. So I think you're going to really enjoy these projects. Now, I wanted to do something special for everyone because I think these became hard to find. If you went and you're lucky enough to get them, that's great, but I don't know that everybody was. So I'm actually going to give away 3 for the series. Now, I'm going to break these down when I send them because just for ease of shipping. They came with some little paints. I'm not going to include these because honestly, I don't really know that they're that good at paints, and if you're dotting, you have your own paint. So I'm going to send these. There'll be 3 of them with their little stand. To get these prepped, I did sand them. I did put a couple of base coats of whatever the base color was, so that I would get a nice surface to paint on. This wood is just really porous, so it's going to absorb a lot of paint. So you either gesso it first, seal it somehow to get your paint on there, and then of course I sanded it because it does have some little rough edges. So I'm going to send 3 of these in a package to the winner. Now, the way to win is you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to leave a comment on each of the 3 videos. Let me know that you're subscribed, and let me know which one was your favorite kitty. And then I will do a random drawing of those comments, and I will go ahead and send these out to the winner. I'll have all the details in the Show More box below, so you'll know how long it's going to last. It's going to last approximately a week, and then I'll close it and do the random selection. So I hope you enjoy these. Now, I've got one other thing that I want to do, because I think these might be hard to find. So what I did is I created a traceable, and it's this cute little kitty. Now, it's not exactly like this one, right? Because I didn't want to, let me see if I can get in there. I didn't want to copy it exactly, but it's a cute little kitty. It's roughly the same size that you can, if you subscribe to my newsletter, and there'll be a link in the Show More box. Subscribe to my newsletter, and I will send you the traceable for this kitty. And then also I've got a little easel. I don't know if you can see that very well, but a little easel on the back so it'll actually stand up. And then you can cut this out of heavier cardstock or a cereal box or something like that. I actually just glued 2 heavy cardstock pieces together and then cut it out. And then you can use like a gel pen or something to put the face on, and then you would just paint on it just like you would on cardstock. So I hope you enjoy that traceable. Look below, sign up for my newsletter, and I will send you the traceable. I did it in white. I did it in black. The only thing with the black is, of course, you need to cut it out first because the ink won't, you're going to print this out, so it won't show up. So you have to cut it and then trace around it. But you can do it on lots of different colors. So I hope you enjoy that little extra. So anyone who signs up for my newsletter will get that, and then you'll have an option to make these cute little, stand-up kitties. So I hope you enjoyed this series. I'm going to use the same intro for all 3 series, so just skip past it to the video part. Thanks so much for joining me in my studio. Take care.